Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email security with Mimecast, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin increasing your email security with Mimecast, visit the Mimecast website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin console. Locate the policies section in the left sidebar. Click on email security to access various security settings. Start by customizing your spam policies. Adjust the filtering levels according to your organization's needs. Save your changes to ensure they are applied. Next, configure the impersonation protection settings. This helps safeguard against spoofed email addresses. Enable the features designed to protect against impersonation attacks. Review and update your attachment management settings. This feature can block or quarantine emails with suspicious attachments. Save any settings you adjust during this process. Proceed to the Threat Intelligence section. Set up alerts for any suspicious activity detected on your email accounts. Ensure that you regularly review these alerts for potential threats. Next, implement the data leak prevention policies. This helps monitor and protect sensitive information shared via email. Create rules that fit your organization's specific data protection needs. Once your policies are in place, educate your staff about email security. Share best practices for recognizing phishing attempts and suspicious emails. Consider scheduling regular training sessions for your team. Finally, continuously monitor and review your Mimecast settings. Stay updated with the latest security features offered by Mimecast. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your email security measures. This proactive approach will help ensure your email communications remain secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.